butterflies, welcome back to my channel. It's Allegra Margella. I know it's been a minute, but I'm back. If you're new here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Today, as you can tell from the title of this video, we have a sustainable fabric haul. So I am a sustainable fashion designer. Sustainable for me just means, not wasting things, using things and, putting them together to make something new. For me, I feel like fashion is like art. And when you buy a painting, there's only one original. So if you have a one-of-one garment, that just makes it even that more special because nobody else has this. It's exclusive. Like, my brand is all about exuding elegance exclusively because you don't ever want to worry about showing up in something somebody else already has or wearing something that's been seen so many times before. You would just want to be unique and individual and just your own person. And I'm Allegra and I have never met another Allegra, so that's just something I take pride in, just being a unique individual. I am building a brand to create one-of-one garments made from things such as thrifted items, dead stock fabric, or even fabric scraps. So the brand that I ordered these pieces of fabric and dead stock fabric from is called Queen of Raw. I simply just googled and found them and boom, I ordered some fabric and it finally arrived. So let's get into it. First fabric came separately. It is dead stock fabric. It is Italian, so I was really excited about that, and it has this beautiful texture on it. Let me show you guys up close. So pretty. It even has a slight stretch going in one direction. I believe there was only 5 yards of this fabric left and I got 2 yards of it. With this fabric, I plan to dye it and create a nice beautiful dress for the spring. I'm already thinking ahead for springtime, and I just know this will be so pretty. I have so many different ideas that I'm trying to narrow down into this one look, so I'm really excited about that. And yeah, this box has different bags of fabric scraps that I ordered, and I'm gonna go through them with you guys. So the first bag is of denim scraps, and I ordered a lot of these because I like to piece together denim to make cool patchwork, cool tops, jackets. I have a cool jacket in mind that I'm already working on. So let me just show you guys what they look like so you know what to expect. And they folded them so nice, which I really like. They didn't just shove them in the bag just because they're scraps. So first I have a black fabric scrap, and they actually serged the scrap at the top. I hope you guys can see that. They serged it. And it's really stretchy. And I can use this as a part of a jacket, a top, a skirt, a pair of pants. The next one is this khaki color. And each of them have been having pockets so far. So I think that's cool. So maybe I can make something that, combines all these pockets in some way, So here's this one. And the next one is like a dark wash denim with distress on it. And we have this mustard like color, which I think is really cool. So I'm excited to find ways to use this. And next we have this acid wash, bleached wash scrap as well. I have one more of denim, and then I'm gonna move on to the fashion fabrics. I have another black one, so there's 2 for those too. So I have another one that's more of like a washed black one, like that washed out look. I have a light wash distressed pair. Well, not a pair because it's no longer pants. And I have a dark wash with these distressed. Alright, so we got through the denim. So for the fashion fabrics, they honestly just give you a variety of different fabrics that people use for apparel. So that's actually pretty cool because, you know, when you think about it, you can combine things and just make cool patchwork, or, you know, add little touches of something. It's just cool to me, in my opinion. That's just my aesthetic. All right, so next they gave me this beautiful crepe. It feels like it's like a stretchy crepe. Yeah, because it doesn't stretch a lot both ways, but it's like a stretchy, soft crepe fabric, which is really pretty. Let me show you guys that up close. Very pretty. Next we have some lace. It actually has, you know, white down here at the bottom, and it comes into just all blue, and it has like some sparkles on top of it, sparkly sequins. And this is cute too. I feel like this is something to add like a pop of in a garment, because, you know, why not? Like, fashion is art. You cannot do wrong in art. Somebody's gonna like it, somebody's gonna hate it. Next I have this little piece of jersey fabric, which I think is nice and soft and stretchy. It also has, which seems to be little swatch sizes of fabric in here, like this one and this one. And these could be added to like little small additions. Like, say for instance, you rip and distress a pair of jeans, you know, adding something like this underneath it just gives it a whole new look. So we also have more knit, which is like this knit. It kind of looks like these would be really cute socks. Like, it's clearly not enough socks for my huge feet, but, you know, it's a nice knit stretchy fabric, and it's a nice little size. Oh, they also included some denim in this one, and this is quite a bit to work with, and it's very stretchy. So I can definitely combine this into a look, or literally make a cute top out of nothing but this, whether it's a nice bralette top or whether it's, you know, a cute clutch or a cute tote bag, it can be used. And lastly, in this bag, they gave me 2 pieces of this jersey, which is very, very stretchy. And yeah, that's all for this first bag. Alright, so here's my last bag of fashion fabrics. Let's see what we got. Alright, so first is this floral print right here. Now this could be used in like the lining of something very small, such as a clutch, or such as like a little bralette top. You know, you can just use it in a way that just adds contrast. They also gave this little pink stretchy swatch. And by the way, these were like priced by the pound, so literally they probably put the fabric in a bag and weigh it, and if it's a pound, you pay like 5 something for it. So that's cool. Ooh, this feels like really nice. It's like a nice knit. Now this would be really, really cute as a nice like tube top or something. Nice knit tube top, or even like an addition to something. A nice strap, a nice sleeve, a nice pop of color. You get the idea. Next we have this metallic fabric, and it's actually pleated, so that's pretty cool. This could be added to something that's more of like a special occasion, whether it's like, you know, one, you know, strap with this on it, you know, in an all black dress. You gotta be creative, people. That's the best thing about it. Ooh, next we have this, they gave me a little leather, I don't know if it's real leather, pleather, whatever, patch that could be added to something, a little patchwork. They gave a sheer chiffon, you know, embellished fabric with this gold, which looks like leaves, gold leaves on it. Next we have some linen. I believe that's what this feels like. It's a nice size piece. Could be used as lining for something. Next we have a colorful piece, I don't know, this feels like cotton, colorful piece of cotton here. And this would be really great if you're into quilting and patchworking. This is like right up your alley. I'm actually going to teach myself patchworking, so that's why I really wanted to get into these scraps. Ooh, and they gave me a nice piece of black jersey. Nice. Very cute. Very cute. I can make a nice top with this. I can cut out some lining to something with this because of how long it is. Gotta work with it, you know, you gotta make it work, in the words of Tim Gunn. All right, and my last piece is feels like canvas fabric or something, like very heavy duty type of fabric, but it's stretchy. Oh, I think it's suiting, actually. I take that back. I have a large piece of navy blue suiting, which is very stretchy. I actually already have some suiting that I have not used that I can pair this with. It's like a nude color, so that'll be fun. And yep, that's all for this video, guys. That's all my fabric that I got from Queen of Raw. I will be shopping there for my sustainable brand, along with, you know, researching and finding other places. But I really like Queen of Raw. I will be shopping there as much as I can. I will say that a lot of their stuff can be expensive, but there are also affordable things there, you know. So you just gotta look for it, and you gotta, you know, want to look for it, want to find it, and just be patient. But overall, it was a really cool process. I love my fabrics, and I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I hope you go ahead and buy if you're, you know, a sustainable brand, into quilting, or even want to learn to sew. Those little scrap fabrics would definitely be great for practicing, or if you're teaching other people to sew. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
If I allow you to catch me, you gotta respect me, you gotta protect me. If I allow you to catch me,